Hey, what's up? Hello, everybody. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. It is officially the most merriest, happiest, coziest time of the year, and I am going to be trying my best. I am so determined to have a successful Vlogmas this year because I've planned so many things for December. I am so excited with everything that I have to share with you guys. So make sure you like and subscribe and join me along the journey. If you're new here, hi, I'm Maddie. I do quite a bit. I mostly do Disney, but every now and again I like to sprinkle in a little something of my life. Yeah, but today we're gonna build Legos. I also made a couple bad decisions on my way home to work today. Am I gonna be happy? Absolutely. So here is the Lego set. I bought this yesterday, and this was already planned. This was in budget, okay? So here is the tree. I don't know how big this is going to be. I'm a little nervous. I thought it was going to be a cutesy little thing to put on my desk, but I don't know anymore. How many pieces is it? So, let me preface something. I haven't built Legos since I was 9. So, this is going to be so much fun, okay? But before we get into that, let's look at the other bad decision, okay? This is my purse. Okay, this is my purse. We're going to put that away. Okay, so I bought 3 books, and I also re-upped my Barnes & Noble membership. So, the first book I got The Fourth Wing. Everyone says that it's good. There was no other reason for that. And also, look at the side covers. Do you see that? That's just gorgeous. Everyone says it's good, so we're gonna read it because peer pressure. And then I also got this book called The Blood of Hercules. I saw it on the shelf and it looked really cool, and I read the back and I was like, yeah, that could be fun. And then I bought a book that was honestly high-key stolen from me in 2017 when it got rebanned and not in production, and then it came back and then didn't buy it, and then now it's back for sure, like in the stores. It's Looking for Alaska. This was one of my favorite books, like in middle school and high school, and I missed it, and I didn't have it anymore, and because it was stolen, pretty much. I let someone borrow it, and I was like, here, you can borrow it, give it back at the end of the year, and they never did. They never did. So, yeah, and I got the tote bag because it's free. So, let's build some Legos, because why not? Let's build some Legos, because I'm actually really excited for this, because I have not built Legos in actually forever. I think I'm gonna switch up the angle so that you guys can see what we're working with. Yeah, actually, hold on, let me move some stuff. Okay, so here's the box. Okay, let's see what we are working with. Is it in French? I don't know. Okay, box is open. We have these big pieces. We have these little pieces. We have like medium pieces. We have more big pieces. We have more big pieces. We have more little pieces. We have these big pieces. We have these little pieces. We have these. And what flabbered my gas just now was the instruction books, plural. Let's figure out what the difference is between these two, and then work from there. because I high-key don't know what's going on. Okay. I think I'm gonna build the little one. So I'm gonna do this one right here. Oh, it has a picture of what they look like. Okay, got it. I understand. I understand now. Okay, you know what? Let's go full send. Let's full send it at 8:40 at night on a school night. All right, let's do it. Okay, let me grab something real quick. Hold on. Okay, my light is currently dying, so let me go ahead and, oh wait, I can do this. Okay, so let's get to work. Step 1. I need to find the little red circle and on the big white circle. So then it goes in the center. Is this not the white square? What the heck? Wait. What? Hold on. You guys, I fear I'm just stupid. Okay. Aha! Okay. And now we need the red sticks. So we should have 4 red sticks. And then they also go like that. Okay. Step 3 is the corner sticks. So that goes like that. Aha! I did it! Okay. Then we flip it over. Moment of truth. Wow. Wait, look you guys. I made a base. Okay, so I am going to turn on a movie and I will periodically check back in. It didn't tell me to do the border. Oh. It did. It did tell me to do the border. Dang it. Also, I'm watching New Girl. I know it's not Christmas, but like, it's okay. Oh, stop it right now. Oh, it's in my lap. Okay. You guys, I think I'm missing my first piece. It didn't drop. Like, it's impossible. It's impossible that it dropped. Oh, wait, did I find it? I found it. I found it. None of the pieces are in the bag that you would think the pieces are in. Like, you kind of have to guess and like actually like look for the piece. But this is what we have so far. It's a cute little base. My stepmom just gave me the skirt. Super cute.
She doesn't like me. What are you talking about? You don't.
I just did something wrong. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna friggin' do it again. Well, not do it all over again. So, hold on. I just need 2, so I'll keep these 2. And then these 2, I have to change. All right. That's fine.
Understand?
I just dropped a piece. I'm so mad I just dropped a piece. All right, time to find it. Okay, so I found a replacement piece. I'm not gonna drop that one too. Don't know if I'm gonna need it later on, but that's a problem for later on. Oh, I put it on wrong. Boop. All right, back to work. I fixed it. Look at it. It's kind of cute. Not gonna lie. Kind of cute. This is actually, not gonna lie, kind of hard. What the heck? Okay. I'm putting the candles on. You wanna see it? Wait. Oh shit. Put the little sticks in the hole. All of this. Little sticks in the hole. And then it goes like that. And then there's little flames. Nope. Will you go? Thank you. It's a little candle. You guys, we have concepts of a tree. Look at how cute it is. Do you see that? There's little hearts and little balls, and then there's little candles. It's so cute. I hit my tripod.
It's because he refuses to wear a Bluetooth, you know that. I gave him one for his birthday, too. Just laughed in my face. Gave it back to me for Hanukkah.
Well, according to this website, it could be a colloid nodule. Enough.
Okay. It's becoming a tree. This is actually really fun. It's actually very relaxing, not even gonna lie. I'm having a lot of fun. I'm like kind of shocked that I could say that, but look at what I made. Do you see it? It has candles and balls, and it's kind of off kilter, so we're gonna fix it. The candles. Would you light my candle? It's amazing because I'm talented. Okay, so now I'm looking for a big stick. Okay, first and foremost, tree. Second of all, we have upgraded to smooth pieces. I don't know where they are. Before I kind of lock in for the rest of the night, I would love to know in the comments what your favorite holiday traditions are, if you have any, because I think this is gonna be a holiday tradition now. Methinks that this is what this is, because this is actually really fun. It's really fun, really relaxing. Highly recommend if you have like nothing to do. Yeah, okay. I'll be back when this is more of a tree. I'm stopping for a snack break because I realize I haven't eaten food. So, snack break. You guys, look at this. It is now almost 1:30, and I think I'm almost done. No. Oh, kind of. I have like 20 more to do. At least. But it'll look like that, you guys. It's kind of cool. I made that. You guys, I might cry. There's only one of the red stick thingies that I was using earlier. It's in there. It's in there. Okay. I feel like there's something poetic about a 22-year-old messing up a Lego Christmas tree. It's falling apart. Yep. Okay, so I think I found the problem row. I think it's this one. So we're just gonna start this row over and see what happens.
I got done.
Okay, I kind of fixed it. We're just gonna continue, see what happens. I don't know what step I'm on. I do know because I needed the stick. It actually kind of looks better. There we go. You guys, I came so far, but I'm missing pieces. I did something wrong. It's 3 a.m. I'm gonna take a nap, and we're gonna try this again tomorrow. Come back for Vlogmas Day 3, where we actually finish the tree. I'm gonna go get Ziploc bags and then take it apart and do it that way. You guys, it's officially 3 a.m. I think I'm just gonna call it. I think I'm just gonna call it. So, this is what I have so far of my Ziplocs. I still have all of this left. I think I'll finish this one and then I will hop into the bed. I'm going to bed. See y'all in the morning. Happy Vlogmas!